Assalamu alaikum. Welcome all anatomy student to my channel. In this video I would like to demonstrate the formation of the spinal nerve. This model is made by my student SWMC 7 batch. This is the name of my student and they create this beautiful model. And now I discuss the formation of the spinal nerve. This is the cross section of the spinal cord. This is inner gray matter, outer white matter, and you see this is the ventral root of the spinal nerve, motor in function. This is the dorsal root, and this is the dorsal root and dorsal root ganglia, sensory in function. This is the spinal nerve, mixed in nature because it is formed by the ventral root and dorsal root. And here is the two major branch of the spinal nerve, ventral ramus and dorsal ramus. Thank you for watching.